Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. So to change the straps on our watch we need to first remove the old ones, and to do it grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. This is the quick release, and basically what you need to do is to pull on the lever towards the middle of the strap. It will let you to release the strap from the one side, and then you can take it out from the other as well. This lever has a bit of tension on it, so sometimes it's hard to pull on it. I recommend something flat, maybe like some kind of pin or fingernail, but like I said before, sometimes it has a lot of tension on it, so don't be aware that you might break your fingernail, my bad. Yeah, your fingernail while doing so. So be aware of that. Anyway, grab it and pull it towards the middle of the strap. It will let you to basically pull out the strap from one side like this. Now it's free from this side, as you can see, and then you can take it out from the other side as well. Same for the other one. So if you grab it like this, pull on it, take it out, and then take it out from the other side as well. And how this system works is quite simple. You have pin on each side, and those pins are locked into holes on your watch. I don't know if you can see it, but here we have one hole and here we have other hole. And basically when you pull on this pin, it retracts the, or rather on this lever, it retracts the pin on one side and lets you to basically pull out the strap from one side. So if you retract it like this, and then you can take it out from the other side as well. Okay, let's say you have your new straps and you want to insert them. You grab your strap, you grab your watch, and you need to take a pin opposite from the lever, so this side, insert it into a hole on the watch, so like this. And once you insert it, align the other pin like that, then pull on the lever to basically retract the pin. And once you retract it, I don't know if you can see it well, but something like this maybe, retract the pin, which sometimes, like I said, is a bit hard, and then insert the strap like that. Push it in a bit and release it, and it should click in. Sometimes, like I said before, it's a bit of struggle, but it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so let's insert the pin opposite from the lever. So this is going to be like this, so insert it like that, align it, pull on the lever, retract the pin, push it in, release it, like that. Quite simple, but sometimes you need to struggle a bit with it. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.